This is Buka. Buka never does anything wrong. This is her sister Callie. Callie likes to dig up my grass and climb fences. So the question is, how do you get your dog outside and past the grassy area without having to go in the winter temperatures in Minnesota? Come on guys, get in the back. Go on, shoo, get in the back, go on. So you build yourself a dog door. Go on. Callie, go on. Callie, go. Get in the back. Get in the back. Go on. Callie, go. And then you let go of this. And the door closes. And since Callie likes to climb fences, you come in here and you flip this switch and the invisible fence turns on, keeping her from climbing the fence.